BittyBrush. Hi. Let's draw a tree. It's a barrel. Great, and now let's draw the branches of the tree. It's working out great. Let's paint the tree brown. Great! There are not enough leaves. Let's make plasticine balls. Wow, perfectly! What a green tree it turned out to be! Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.